Hello everyone, my name is Jenna and I am currently an undergraduate student majoring in marketing and minoring in professional sales management at the University of North Dakota in Grand Forks, North Dakota. And I am currently interning for a fashion company here in Milan, Italy for the semester. So I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life to show you what it is that I do on a daily basis and open up the opportunity for you guys to ask me any possible questions you may have. There is literally no such thing as TMI when it comes to me, so feel free to ask me anything and everything that comes to your mind. So first I'm just going to start by giving you guys a little insight into the type of company that I'm interning for. So it's called Fashion Startup, and I work directly one-on-one with my boss, who is the entrepreneur of Fashion Startup. So what she does is she is a business consultant. So she works with young fashion brands who are anywhere between 0 and 10 years of establishment, and she helps them with everything including photography, social media, getting the clothes developed, designing the clothes, anything that you can possibly think of to get a business started, to get your brand up and running. And so I get a really cool job, and I get to be her assistant, and I get to do a bunch of cool things with her, like work with models when we're photographing outfits. I get to create lookbooks for the brands, reach out to influencers to help promote the brand. I get to reach out to stylists. So I get to do a lot of cool things, and I'll post more about that throughout the day.
Hi everyone, my name is Amanda. I'm the director here in Milan, and I'm super happy to connect with all of you today. I was just meeting Jenna for a coffee to talk about her experience, and this is something that we do with all of our interns or students coming abroad, is checking in, seeing how things are going, and especially near the end of the program, talking about how this experience was and how it changed them. I studied abroad before moving here full-time. I'm from Canada originally, and it was a unique experience that changed my life. So I always recommend studying abroad or working abroad for anyone who is interested while you're in university, because it's life-changing. Reach out to Jenna if you have any questions for us. Ciao!